Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here. I am with Calvin Getz. He is the founder of Strategy Financial Group. Now, a lot of people worry about running out of money in retirement, and one problem could actually be lazy money. Calvin, what does that mean?
Sure, Jen. So lazy money refers to money that's kind of sitting around, not earning interest or not being invested, that's working towards your long-term goals. Another way might be saying going broke safely, right? I meet with people with lots of money in cash and CDs because they're afraid of the market, but they're not keeping up with the higher interest rate environment that we're in, and they're still maybe earning only 1 or 2%. So we want to make sure that every dollar that you've saved for retirement, whether it's in a bank account, a brokerage account, an IRA, a 401k, that it's working for you the best way possible so that you've got as much income as you can possibly get in retirement, and it's as tax efficient as possible.
So it sounds like there are a lot of opportunities to put that lazy money to work. You have some resources to help us seek out some of those opportunities, right?
That's right. My team and I have created this retirement roadmap kit because you have a window of opportunity right now in this interest rate environment to put more of your money to work, more of your lazy money to work, even in accounts that don't have significant risk associated with them. So whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit are designed to help you put that lazy money to work.
You can find out more about that in the book and also those reports on all of retirement's biggest topics. All you have to do is call, text, or go online, and you can get Calvin's free retirement roadmap kit. Calvin, thanks for joining me today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report. Have a great day.